Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Shop Circle, which is an all-in-one e-commerce tool suite to help you with your e-commerce store and get the very best returns from your online business. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, as always, link down below in the description is Shop Circle. So if you want to go and check it out, go and take a look after this video. First of all, we're going to jump down through. This is for anyone who's in e-commerce or looking at starting an e-commerce store, whether that be on Shopify or WooCommerce, etc. You can see down below it's the first operator of e-commerce tools, and there's a lot of different tools available. So we're going to take a look at what there is down here. You can see there's an expanding tech suite available, and there's lots of different apps that you can use to improve your Shopify returns. Here you can see conjured referrals, boost sales with a beautiful customizable referral program. So that's basically helping your existing customers to maybe get discounts, etc. by bringing in other customers. And this is an excellent way for you to grow your business without any overheads like marketing, etc. There's also OP New or OPI New, all-in-one review management tool to boost conversions with a strong UGC. Now reviews, etc. are essential for helping you to build social proof. And nowadays there's so much online store shopping, everyone will rely heavily on things like reviews, so it's essential that you have good reviews if you want people to be purchasing on your website. Hulk Apps also allows you to improve your AOV or average order value, so that's adding in things like upsells, etc. If you've got someone coming to your store and spending like $30 and you've paid $3 or $4 to acquire them, you obviously want them to spend as much money as possible, because this helps you to improve your overall revenue and overall profit margins as well. If you yourself have created apps for Shopify and various others, this is another fantastic place where you can advertise your app, and then maybe you can get sales through this platform. So it's a really cool place in order to really up your e-commerce game. Coming down below, you can see all the different blogs and things like that telling you how you can use like TikTok, YouTube, etc. in order to boost sales. It's also going to talk about various different integrations, different trends and things like that to help you get ahead in this quite challenging environment, but has all the tools that you really need in order to excel. What's really cool as well is a really in-depth help section where you can get videos telling you how to do troubleshooting, things on themes, different subscriptions, and all sorts of other bits and pieces. Coming down below, you can see there are tons and tons of videos available to really help you. So if you're not sure what you're doing necessarily with your dropshipping or your e-commerce store, then come across here guys, and there's some fantastic resources available, and all of them will point back to basically the apps and things they offer in order for you to start expanding. So if we click on the app section, you can see we've already talked about some of the apps here, but you can come down and you can see there are tons of other different apps as well, like Skypilot, Order Tagger, which allows you to add, remove, and delay and backdate order tags to manage your orders. Once your store starts selling, it can be a little bit overwhelming with all of the management of the different orders. So this is a great way for you to streamline that and help out with that. There's other things like background videos, where you can put videos from YouTube, Vimeo into your store really seamlessly and easily, which can be or has been a bit of a problem in the past. There's also things like shipping rates calculators with geolocations and tons of other things going on. Now, if you've already created an e-commerce store and had some great success with it, then maybe you're looking to expand or move into different places, and your store is obviously now a successful business, and that means that you can sell that business on to someone else who's looking to get into the e-commerce journey. And this is really cool because you can get in touch with them and you can show them your store, etc., show them the returns and things you're getting, and this will then enable them to help you to sell your store through this platform. So anyone else who's looking for an e-commerce store can easily find you coming through to shopcircle.co. Now, if I want to use any of these integrations, all I got to do is click on apps. So for example, here we're looking at conjured referrals. Then I've got the option here to download it. Coming down below, it's going to show me more information on what the app's going to do and how it's really going to help me, such as increasing sales, leveraging things like referrals, custom styling, and all sorts of other features. In terms of the pricing, you get like a 14-a-day free trial for lots of these different ones. Obviously, it varies on the different apps to what the prices are. Here you can see for this particular app, the intro offer is $29 a month, but that enables you to get up to $500 referred revenue per month, as well as unlimited referrals, free styling support, etc. And then there's also different levels. If you're already a partner and a developer, you can come across and access these apps for free. And this will enable you to help with building stores for other clients, etc. Obviously, it's all very straightforward. As soon as you've got your Shopify store set up, you can just download this into the App Store, and it seamlessly will attach through things like API keys. All of this can be done extremely simply. If you don't know how to do it, there's loads of tutorials available on this platform as well as YouTube in which you can use this information. So in summary, guys, if you're in e-commerce and you have your own e-commerce store or you're building e-commerce stores for other people, this is a fantastic place to go to get some of the very best apps available. If you've already built an e-commerce store or a successful e-commerce business, then you can also go to this platform and sell your store to someone else who might be coming here to look for a store. So it's an all-in-one e-commerce website that's going to really help you to up your game when it comes to your e-commerce stores, dropshipping stores, etc. Guys, everything I've talked about is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out right now. If you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about loads of these amazing digital products and also with fantastic deals that we have regularly on the channel, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.